love it, I love it, I love it. That's the final result for the lips. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia and I am a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about lifestyle, owning your own business, clothing hauls, Amazon hauls, travel, shopping, all the fun things. And I am super excited for today's video because today I have a fun haul video for you guys. I have had a number of things come in specifically from Amazon and TikTok Shop, and so I thought I would do a fun like $217 Amazon/TikTok Shop haul. So let's get into it. The first item in the haul, we have this Joy Tutus is the brand. Hold on, it'll focus in a sec. Will it focus? It's not focusing. There you go. You could see it. I got this car mount tripod thing for being able to film content in the car. If you guys don't know, I don't just do content on YouTube, I do content on Instagram and TikTok, and I have been wanting a car mount for a really long time. This one was literally $10 from TikTok Shop. Matt just put it together for me. It rotates all around, which I'm super excited about. I don't know whether I'm gonna end up sticking this to the dashboard or to like kind of like the window. So I need to kind of test that out and see, but this is the first item in the haul. It is this little car mount tripod thing for filming in the car because I'm very excited to have another little tool for content and just kind of stepping up my content game. So this is item number 1 in the haul. Next up, we have our first item from Amazon. Well, our first 2 items from Amazon. So I recently got these little ankle straps for lifting weights. I got from the brand Fit Girl. So there are 2 of them. Easily strap them on / like around. They're like extra sticky because they're brand new, which is great. You simply put these around your ankle like that, and then you can loop these in with whatever it is. Like I really wanted these for cable kickbacks at the gym, so I finally have my own set. They do have a set of these downstairs at the gym, but really getting more and more into weightlifting, and I realized when Matt and I move out of this apartment or whatever, I'm gonna still want, oh my god, I can't believe I just caught that. I'm gonna want my own kind of like set of these, and they only have one downstairs at the gym, which is totally fine, but it's going to be nice to be able to just like strap these both to my ankles and not have to switch wrapping this around each ankle when I switch off doing each leg in my workout. So we've got these ankle straps, and we have this Power Guidance barbell pad. I also needed this from a workout standpoint, so this I've been using specifically for like weighted hip thrusts. When I grab the barbell, throw this, literally you stick the barbell inside here so that you've got a pad, and it just rests on the top of my hips for when I'm doing weighted hip thrusts. So this was literally $9 on Amazon. These I think were $12 on Amazon. So together these came out to like 20 bucks. Highly, highly recommend if you are getting more into weightlifting. You definitely want to get yourself a barbell pad and some ankle straps. So we got these. Let's move on to the rest of the haul. Next up in the haul, we're gonna do the second item that I got from TikTok Shop. If you've been watching my TikTok, you know that I finally caved and I got the Sashu Viral Lip Stains. I first got it in the color Pinked, and I happened to order 2 different colors. They came at 2 different times. What's weird is TikTok by accident sent me 2 of the Pinked, and the other shade that I had ordered was on a delay, and it finally came in, and I'm so excited. Not only am I gonna open it up for you, but I'm literally going to put it on so that we can see how it looks. So let me open that box up. Okay. This is the other lip liner stain or lip stain from Sashu. Yeah, it's called the Peel Off Lip Liner Stain, and I got this one in the color Nude. So let's open it up. This one is a bit more like mild compared to the other color. The other color though is absolutely gorgeous, I will say. So hold on, let me open it up here. So this is how it looks, and what I will say about these lip stains, you can use them in two different ways. You can use them just as a lip liner and line the edges of your lip, or I've seen a lot of women do it as just a full-blown lip stain. I think I'm gonna do it as a little liner, so let's do it together. I'm trying to get better at learning how to do this stuff in the camera, so we're gonna get up close and personal. See what it looks like. We're gonna line the lips and then keep opening things up while they dry, and then I'll peel it off for you guys on camera. Okay, hold on. This is much harder than I thought. Let me go in the mirror and I'll show you guys the final result of me lining my lips. You literally have to lean into the process with this because you're gonna look crazy after you line them. It's just a part of it. So you gotta embrace it, not be worried about it. So we've got the lip liner on in the color Nude. It needs like 10 to 15 minutes to dry. So we're gonna let it dry as we continue unboxing things. We're gonna shift now over to more Amazon things. So we're up to, what are we up to with this total here? We had like 20 bucks of workout stuff, $10 car mount. This was $12. So we're up to like $42 in our haul. So let's keep going. The next item in the haul is the most expensive item from Amazon. And this was a gift from my Aunt TT. And this is a mirror that Matt and I put on our wedding registry. And my aunt got it for us. The cost of this mirror was $99. I am so excited to open it. So let me open it and I'll show you what it looks like.
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror! Okay, we can't really...
I joke because you can't even see it.
Oh, it's so nice! Oh wow, I really love it. Look at our new mirror! Look at the fun shape. It's not a full like symmetrical circle. It's like oblongish and off center, and it's amazing! Oh my God, look at our fun mirror. Like, how perfect is that? I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Doopa 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 doo. Oh, it looks so good. Thank you, Em. Thanks for helping. Okay, now we're gonna put it back. No, come here. Because I just noticed I kind of have already ruined the lip stain. So fingers crossed it doesn't come out crazy, but we're gonna keep going with it. So that was the most expensive item from Amazon. Hold on, I'm gonna help Matt get this back in the box. Okay, so that's the new mirror. Let me put this somewhere and then we'll keep going. Okay, so before we do the rest of the Amazon haul, and actually what I will say is we're at like $142 right now for our haul. Let's pivot really quick into another item. This is not purchased. This is gifted from my friends at Truvani. So grateful, thank you Truvani. I actually need to make a little Insta story and tag them and thank them. But they've got 7 new flavors of their Truvani protein bars. I am super excited to try these out. So that's a fun part of the unboxing. Thank you Truvani, and let's keep going in the Amazon stuff. Okay, before we do our final Amazon item unboxings, I have another package that's super fun to open. Another item this is like pseudo gifted. I got this gift from Sugarwish because I purchased a bunch of credits from Sugarwish, or because I love to use Sugarwish for like holiday gifting and stuff like that. And since the holidays are around the corner, I saw that Sugarwish was having a specific deal where if you purchased a specific amount of credit, you got extra money for credit, and they sent a gift to anyone who purchased the deal. So I picked out my free gift, which was a candle. I got a sandalwood candle, a little soy candle. I am super excited about this. So this is from Sugarwish. And now we are ready to peel off the lip stain, because you can literally see it starting to come off. So I'm gonna peel off the lip stain and we're gonna finish up with the Amazon unboxings. Okay. So the fun thing about the lip stain is you know that it's dry because it literally starts to peel off, and it is super easy to peel off. You literally, you guys, it looks so good. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, that was the bottom lip. And then sometimes, like you'll see here, so the lip stain, it literally peels off like that. You'll see sometimes there's just a tiny bit left that you kind of just have to get off of your fingers. But oh my gosh, you can see how perfectly lined they are. I love it. I am such a big fan of these freaking lip stains. They look so good. I'm gonna go throw on a tiny bit of lip gloss on top, and then we're gonna finish up our little Amazon unboxing. Put a little lip gloss on. This is the final result for the lips. I freaking love these lip stains. They're so good. If you're interested in buying them, just let me know. If you have any questions about anything, put it in the comments and I will get you guys links to everything. And let's do the final 2 items from Amazon. So our final 2 items from Amazon are 2 different vases. I am so excited about these. One of these vases was, I think, $17. The other one was, I think, like $30. So that's how we ended up getting to $216 with tax and shipping. All of these items came to that together. And what I will also say, we did not purchase ourselves the items from Amazon. These 3 things that we got from Amazon, the mirror and these 2 vases, which I'm gonna show you, were bought by my aunt generously. And wait, you guys, when I tell you I'm obsessed with this first vase. Okay, wait, can you even with this? It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, I could not love this anymore. This is literally perfect, even if you don't put anything in this. From a decor standpoint, oh my God, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. Okay, I like wanna freaking style this in the apartment somehow already. I need to cool my jets and be patient. But this is one of the vases. As you can see, it is white, it is ceramic, and it is like ribbed. It's not too tall. It's literally like a little taller. It's basically the size of my head. And oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. She's so pretty. We love her. We literally love her. Okay, I'm gonna go sit her by a different vase right now, so hold on. Okay, I'm so excited about that vase. Here's the second vase. This one is a bit bigger than the white one. And it is different than the white one in that this one is like a jade green, which I am very excited about. So. Oh my God, it's so cool how it changes color in the light. But here's some good lighting for you guys to see. It is obviously a clear green, like it's like a see-through green. It's a jade green. It's also ribbed. I really just love this kind of style. And we have a, let me go grab the vase that we have. It was the inspiration. I was like, ooh, I want to get another vase in similar style to what we have because I think they'd look really good together. So let me go grab that one. But oh my gosh, you guys, how pretty is she? Like, don't these just look great together? The ribbed style, just the colors. We don't have like a ton of color when it comes to our decor around the apartment, which is why I'd gotten this, I think at like the home shop or something like this a while ago. And when I saw this on Amazon, I was like, okay, these look beautiful together. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hold on, I'm gonna go like style them over. I'm gonna just like set them over by the windowsill and I'll show you what they look like, kind of just sitting together without flowers in them yet. Okay, I went and just like styled them by the windowsill. I'm not the biggest fan of how it looks, so we're gonna do things differently. I'm gonna sit this one right on our kitchen table. Eee! I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to figure out how I wanna style them and everything like that. Right now, I literally just have green vase sitting right there on the table. Obviously, it's a little bit of a mess. I've got the white one sitting right there, and this is where the kind of like muted, like amber orangey one has been literally since we bought it. It's been right there. So I might end up moving that. I also might end up moving this guy possibly onto the bookshelf. Hold on. Take you with me. Because maybe we end up wanting to like, no, I don't want this stacked on top, but I could do something like putting it up here or down here. I actually don't hate that there. And then I could also put, oh my God, there are just so many different things I could do. Like this vase that I've got here right by the TV stand, I could take some of these out, trim them, and put them in this vase here. So there's lots of options from a decor standpoint, but honestly, I really like right now how this new white vase looks just right here, at least for now. One other place that I could see myself styling this small white one right here. Oop, I think we found a winner. Okay, I sort of love how this looks, and I might take these things and put them That looks so good! Are we kidding? Wait, you guys, I'm actually obsessed. That looks so much better than it did. Oh, I'm so happy. So freaking happy. Okay, so now we just styled the new white vase. And it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was our fun little $216 Amazon and TikTok shop haul. We got the lip stain, we got the car mount, we got a new mirror and 2 new vases. We also got a new candle, and I got these protein bars. So very fun unboxing day. And what's even more exciting, I've got another thing to unbox, but I'm gonna turn that into a new video because I got my newly sized barrel jeans delivered. I'm so excited to style these. So if you guys want to see how to style barrel jeans, you're gonna need to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, because that's gonna be coming in the next video. So I will see you guys in that video. Bye. Next up in our Amazon haul, well, wait.